Okay. Well, this is my first ever recording, I guess you could say. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to post this to YouTube, but I'm not sure yet. But this is a 62 Mercury Meteor I just picked up. This is my first ever old car I've ever bought. I mean, I got a OBS and a Jeep and a bunch of other crap, but this is the first ever project car that I'm ever going to own. And I'm probably going to keep it forever, but we'll see. But I figured I want to document the process, and the best way to do that is to get a GoPro and just record what I do. So far, I haven't done anything to it besides pull that passenger front wheel off, just because I want to see what's underneath, and figured if the wheels are stuck on, I probably need to, work on that first. But let me show you around first. Let me start at the front. So the front, this piece isn't on. This piece was just sitting in the back. They were pulled off for some reason. This side, it's all busted up. There's like it's all there. It's just all banged up and beat to shit. So, I don't know if I should cuss or not. Fuck it, whatever. It's got a motor in it. It's got a 260, I believe. I don't know anything about Ford motors or Mercury motors or anything. This was in the trunk. All the parts are here, by the way. All the parts, everything, timing chain, everything's there. It was taken apart at some point. Don't know when. Don't know if it was. So the story I got behind it, from it, was it was at a junkyard 18 years ago. The guy that I bought it from the junkyard, and I guess he just never did anything with it. And so that's why I bought it, because I wanted to do something with it. So we got the water pump and the timing cover. You got your fuel pump here. I haven't even seen if it spins over. That's my main goal, is going to be for today, is seeing if this thing even wants to spin over. Problem is, as you can see, that's a little open to the elements. Now, it doesn't look super bad in there. There's some sludge and some dirt, but I'm not seeing standing water. Probably the first thing I really should do is maybe pull a plug out and see exactly. Ooh, that porcelain broke off. Okay, we're gonna put that back on and pretend that never happened. Okay. But yeah, that's probably the first thing I should do, is pull a spark plug out and see what the condition of the spark plugs are. Because if they're rusted shut, we all know where this motor is going, and that's in the ocean. No, I'm kidding. Probably just junk pile somewhere. But all my battery leads are there. Wiring's all there. This spring broke when I was looking at it. It just kind of popped off. I don't know where the thing is. And I looked for hood hinges on this thing, how much they cost, and they were like $400. So, no hood mod, maybe? Because I ain't spending that much on hood hinges. Carburetor's locked up. I can't get anything to turn on it. Choke flap thing. How can you guys see in there? No? Okay. But yeah, it's pretty there, everything's there. But there's some lead work here on the front fender, but that's not even that bad. I can fix that. I'm a body guy, so I can fix all this stuff. I'm not going to. How you see the paint is how it's going to be. I'm not giving this thing a full paint job. Look how beautiful this is. Perfect patina. Perfect. No rot. They did some patch panels in each fender. I'm going to weld the rest of this up and do a little bit of body filler and primer, and then probably just blend this whole lower area, make it look something like that. Do some fake patina or something. I don't know. But all my badges are there. All the trim is there. It's a little banged up, as you can see in the front right here. You got a nick right there. So I got no keys for this thing. So, and it's all banged up here, but we'll figure it out. I'm trying to get this tent set up, but I don't know how to get the thing to go up. Anyway, same thing on this side. As you can see, they did a patch, and they didn't even weld it all the way. Looks like they cut it with a damn circular saw or some, I don't know, hacksaw. But all my badges are there. Front suspension's about as blown out as a corn star, but it spins. It did spin. Well, okay. I guess it doesn't want to spin anymore. I probably locked him up when I hit the brake pedal, but yeah, like you can see, no rot. There's a bird's nest in the back. I gotta make sure they start paying rent. All like the factory undercoating is still in there. Man, it's just bump stops, beef jerky now, bumper. I mean, I don't know. It's just, it seemed like too good of a deal. I got it for $500. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. Doors open and close beautifully. Well, I say beautifully. They open and close. You know, I mean, that's pretty good. Like, but yeah, no like rot, like all in here. No rot at all. Windows are intact. There's some aging and cracking and stuff where it's like delaminating, I guess. But I mean, come on. No cracks, not even any scratches. Like, this glass is gonna clean up beautifully. It's got the wing windows. Oh, that's sick. Free AC. This car didn't come with AC. At least I don't think it did. I haven't even looked at the VIN on this thing. Funny enough. But here's the trunk. I'll show you guys the inside later. But here's the trunk. And what do you see? I see a shit ton of parts. We got our timing chain. We got old gaskets. I'm not reusing those. Unless the other ones are too expensive. Then I might. We'll see. I mean, everything's here. You know? All the seal. Here's the trunk lock. Because it was... They took it off for some reason. But... it seems to be in decent shape. I mean, it's not too busted up. This is like the overflow tank, isn't it, for this? I don't know. I haven't, like I said, this is a pretty rare car. At least I think it is. The research I've done, I haven't seen too much about them. But the air cleaner's here. The floor. Look at the floor. I know you can't really see it, but it's all surface rust, you know? Like, I don't think I can poke a hole through it even if I wanted to. We'll see. Look at that. That's solid. I can't ask for more than that. But you can see some like the original paint. Like, look at that original paint. Beautiful. Now, the car's not gonna look like that, but it'll look close to it. All the door panels are there, you know. The windows go up and down. Freaking beautifully. But seat's not even that bad of shape. It's got some cigarette burns and whatnot. I guess they were a smoker or something, I don't know, but it goes back and forth. Back seat is complete now. The back tops of the seats are rusted out. Not rusted out, but they're pretty done for, you know. But I won't really have anybody in the back seats. I don't care. Headline is drooping a little bit down there. The back glass rolls up and down really well. Oh, shit. It did roll up and down really well. Oh, okay. That's something I gotta fix. Oh, but here's that trim I was talking about. See how beat up it is? I'm definitely gonna have to find a new one of those. I can't. No hammer and dollying is gonna fix that. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, I got this tire off. There's a fucking huge black widow right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna kill it because I don't want that around me. So, yeah, like I said, I'll be back shortly. Okay. Pulling out the spark plugs. Right now, pulled out this one. I don't even know what the firing order is on this. I don't even know what number cylinder is, like which bank is which. So, anyway, this is the first one I pulled out. It's got a little bit of rust on it. They don't look like bad. I got the second one about to pull out. Let's see. I really want to hook a battery up to this thing and see what all works on it. I won't be able to crank it because I don't have any key. Well, because the whole front of the motor is torn apart. Got some carbon. I smell fuel on it. Let's see if I can break my fingers. Oh. Did that turn or that strip? That might have stripped out. Let me go on this side. No, it's turning. Well, maybe not. Yeah, it's turning. Maybe? I need a small extension, I think. Oh, come on. Let's see. Let me get this turned a little bit more. Oh, don't say any bad words. Oh, gosh. I don't need fingers. What is this? I need to do some research on these 260s and see exactly what is what and where everything goes. Oh, no way. Hey, it broke loose after I smashed my finger to a million pieces. That's good. Man, I'm hoping all these plugs, if I see a smashed plug, I'm going to be sad. Then all hopes of this motor running probably down the drain. Oh, I still can't. What kind of sparklers we got? Champions? F11YC? Or FLLYC? That's where all these sparklers are. I think I need to double check on the date on the back. I think it says 98. Carbon. Not bad at all. Okay. This fucking brace is in my way. I'm not a fan of it. What is this? Is that a fuel line? Vacuum? Fuel. Definitely. Then what is this? I don't know. I don't know. I should have left the front down before I... Will you just go on? I wonder if this doesn't even look like it's hooked up. It's kind of... Whoa. Let me get my tools out. Oh, I didn't get an open end. Open end wrenches. I probably got some in the GMC. Let me see. Oh, let's see here. 1/2 inch. No. No. 9/16. No. Yeah, 13 will fit it. Yep. Look at that. It's not even, the line's not even rusted. I think it helped that it was hand tight. Get this out of the way. Oh, that rusted through though. Wonder what that's for. Because the fuel pump's over there. What did that go to? The exhaust? Well, all I gotta do is find a rusted fitting on the other side and on this side, and we'll find out what that goes to. But right now, that should give me some room to get this spark plug out. Oh, gotcha. super excited to get this thing either running or pull it out. I don't know which one. I'm hoping I can just leave this motor in here and everything's freed up. I'm about to, once I get these spark plugs out, I'm going to just turn the motor over. This one's a little wet. Here, I'll let you guys see these plugs. Line them all up. This is what we're looking like. So, like I said, not bad shape. That one's got a little wetness right here, but it's looking good. So, let's get these other ones out. Uh-oh, where'd my spark plug socket go? Right in front of my face. Get these out of the way. This one snapped off. I think I'm going to pop a valve cover off too here in a little bit. Maybe I should do that first because the top end might be seized up. We'll put a bolt on it. We'll spin the crank over and see first. But I won't force it. About the same. About the same, which is good to see. This one feels a little tighter. Nope. It's pretty free right now. What we got? Same. A little bit more rust on the inside. I could really use a bore scope for this. So I can see inside. Same. Whew. Smells like a lawnmower exhaust. These are coming out so easy. I'm very thankful for that. Yeah, it's weird. The steering box sitting under here. I've never seen that, but I've also never really paid attention to steering boxes. Man, this one's funky looking. This one is funky looking. If I can get it out of the damn thing. Yeah, this one, it's got some weird corrosion going on. And that tip is like different. You see that? I don't know. I don't know. Are you gonna come off? My gosh. No? Well, I gotta buy a new spark plug socket. What do you say we spin this thing over? That looks like a big bolt. It's bigger than that. Oh my gosh. It's probably a full inch. I think I got one in here somewhere. Let's see. Here's a 26. No. No. Here's a full inch. I mean, that'll spin it over. Ooh, problem is I don't know if I have the... Alright, I'll be back. Gotta go grab a 1/2 inch. Alright, let's see. No way. I saw it spin. Problem is this socket's a little too... Oh, that's the bolt spinning. Man. The bolt's just tightening. Guys, it's freaking spinning over. I just hit a tight spot. Oh, I was on a recording. I felt it break loose, you know? I don't want to strip this nut out. Or this bolt. I tighten it really tight. Oh, I hit a hard spot. Oh, ooh. I'm rounding this bolt off. I wish I had the right socket. Alright, this 24 fits a lot better. Yeah. Like I said, I don't have a lot of standard tools. Well, I do, I just gotta hunt for them, and I don't feel like doing that right now. I just want to see if this thing turns over. I just had it. I had it turning over. See? It just hit a rough spot. Like I said, I don't know if I should be doing this without the timing. Maybe that's what happened. I just hit a valve. Let me see if I can find the gear, the timing gear. I got nothing in the back. Maybe this thing was torn apart just to get to that. You know? Like I said, I'm not sure. I really need to drop that pan. That's what I really need to do. I'm gonna take the other valve cover off. See what's going on in there. That doesn't look too good. get that other Velcro off. Pops right loose. Oh. This side looks a little cleaner. That's the condition we're looking at. Carbon and buildup. This side, about the same. About the same.